In continuation with our series on traditional Indian summer drinks, the third recipe in the series is from the Konkan region, an extremely soothing and cooling digestive drink with its unexpected flavors. Made from kokum and coconut called as Kokum Khadi, Sol Khadi, Goan Sol. You will find the links for all the episodes in the description box below. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. For the preparation, take 10 to 12 pieces of kokum. Kokum is the dried skin of the kokum fruit. Add half a cup of lukewarm water and allow it to soak for 30 minutes. Take 1 large coconut or 2 cups of grated coconut. You can use chopped coconut also. Add lukewarm water. The water should be just above the level of the coconut. Allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Soaking in lukewarm water helps to get a thicker extract. After 10 minutes, add the grated coconut with the soaked water to a mixer jar. To this, add 1 or 2 green chillies according to taste, 2 pods of garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Add Himalayan rock salt and black salt. Grind well. Pour the ground mixture into a fine mesh strainer. Press and squeeze out the coconut extract. Here, I have ground it with green chilli, coriander leaves and other spices. Another option is to grind the coconut, take the extract, crush the spices and add them later. To the extracted coconut pulp, add 3/4 glass of lukewarm water and grind. This is to remove the second extract. Coconut milk helps improve good cholesterol, is antibacterial and enhances immunity. I have taken only 2 extracts here. If you want, you can take 1 more extract. After the 3rd extract, the coconut milk becomes very thin. Mix both the extracts together. Now take the soaked kokum. You can see the beautiful deep pink color of the kokum water. Press well. Kokum, also known as punarpuli, amsol, has got a tart taste and is generally used as a souring agent. It adds a distinct flavor to the dishes. Pour the kokum water into a strainer. Press the kokum rind to extract more water, if any, and collect the kokum water in a bowl. Kokum rind has got valuable chemicals which helps in treating acidity and aids in fat metabolism. To the coconut extract, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the kokum juice. Coconut and kokum both help in healing stomach ulcers. Check for salt. Add salt if required and half a teaspoon of sugar. Adding sugar is optional. Mix well. Pour it into cups. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve chilled. A delicious drink with the tartness of kokum, the sweetish taste of the fresh coconut milk and the combined flavors of chilli, garlic, cumin and coriander leaves. Whichever way you want to have it. As an appetizer, a digestive post-meal or a slightly thicker version with rice, it is bound to make you feel light and energetic. If you like the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Tuesday for another interesting traditional drink recipe.